I give nothing but abuse.
Pumps are up to get beat down.
I give nothing but abuse.
Pumps are up to get beat down.
I give nothing but abuse.
Pumps are up to get beat down.
I give nothing but abuse.
Hey guys, they call me Patronn.
And this is my car guy Ro.
Now, Mr. let me explain to you what this belt means, okay?
What does that mean?
So basically, what it means is that you're number one.
Yeah.
So you know what happens when you're number one, right?
There's always somebody trying to take your spot.
Exactly. So this is the belt, guys. Okay, this belt we got it almost a year ago, and let me tell you something about this belt. It's not going anywhere
Why is it not going anywhere?
because we ain't giving it away.
Get insurance.
You gotta take it from us. So guys, you guys want the belt? Malaga, I'm filming right now.
Come on, George.
Sounds like a blooper now.
Bloop, bloop.
Malaga.